What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jalen Dawes, of course, and this is Jalen Unplugged. Trading session wasn't the best. I took 3 trades total today, technically, only 2, but realistically, I entered the market 3 different times. The first trade, I knew I was going to lose because I've entered way too early. It was like 7:50 something, and I entered instead of waiting for 8 o'clock. So that was a given loss just because I entered too early. Um, second trade I took, I was in a little bit of drawdown, and I realized that my trade sinker was not working on Topstep for whatever reason. So I had to then correct that issue, and then once I corrected it, I just entered a little too early. I should have waited for the top of the zone since like I already missed the entry that I wanted in the first place. I should have just waited for the top of the zone, but I entered anyway. Went too heavy. I don't know how I made this mistake because even editing, I seen that I literally went to the 10 minis and I entered on 10 minis instead of using 5 or under because I really didn't want to risk more than like $300. I was willing to sit in $300 worth of drawdown, but I was sitting in like $700 worth of drawdown instead. Like, yeah, it was a bad day. It was a bad day. I had to deal with a lot of emotions. I had to deal with, yeah, really just emotions. That's all I was dealing with today. It was just emotions. I knew with my trading plan what I was gonna have to endure today, and just for the simple fact that I went too heavy on my contract sizing, it just threw me off. And I really did not like the way I executed today. It was very poor execution on my part. Strategy played out great, and the strategy is really what saved me. Strategy and God, honestly. If it wasn't for those two, your boy would have been down bad today. But thankfully, the strategy and God had my back today, and I was definitely leaning heavy on both of them because my psychology was not there today. I was super emotional, super emotional today. But yeah, we ended up making it out the day green. That's really what matters at the end of the day. So yeah, that's gonna do it for the intro. Let's get to the clips. So we do have a gap up there on the 1 minute. So we could see price come back for that. There is now there's no gap left behind. So this would be the last high that just needs to be respected. We have been breaking lows internally. We broke this low, that low, that low, that low. So these are all internal lows. We did not take this overall low here or even here. We technically have been respecting overall structure to the upside still, because this here is our demand that has been respected. So with price going back up right now, that's a good sign because we should stabilize up here and turn around. So that's what we're really going to wait for. So I think we should be good for a sell today, y'all boys. Because if I were to take a buy, I would want it down here. I'm not going to cap to you. Not even going to cap with you. Yeah, my supply area would be, I mean, my demand area would be down here. We're way too high in price right now, so we would definitely need price to sell off. So that's what I would be waiting for, is for a good sell off from price. We also do have a internal supply here. So we're just gonna be waiting and seeing what price wants to do. Once price gets open, I'll delete some of these random zones, but I do want to keep my eye on these areas, so I'm going to leave them up for now. So we're respecting the low here. So we push up and then come back and retest the low. I'll take that. But if not, and we just keep going up, I'm taking myself. So it just depends on what the market wants to do here. Because we could have a short time target of these highs here. taking it into this zone and then get out and be done for the day, or it could just catapult straight up, and then we take our position here for the sell if it respects the high, and then we take the sell to the bottom, disrespecting all these lows. Since we did just break a low, we came close to taking this low, but we did not break it. We didn't. So we can get a retest of the low down here. I would definitely take that. I'm not against that. No, I would like a better retest than that. Making bullish structure with bearish candles is crazy though. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, gold is playing right now, dog. I ain't gonna cap. Making bullish price action with bearish candles is crazy, dog. Mm, I gotta bite the bullet. Gotta take it. All right, so we completely disrespected this area. There is a low over here. All right, so we got a liquidity sweep off of the low on the 15, but we are still respecting the low on the higher time frame. I did say if I were going to take a buy, I would want to be low, so we might have our buy position coming up. Shit just tumbling through everything, cuz. Ain't no way we disrespect the market structure. And we definitely are.
Order filled.
Crazy, dog.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. So there it is. I'm out on my Express accounts, but we are holding this on our take profit trader account. So I'm still in this. I'm gonna lock out here so I don't get back in. We made 393, well, 390 on my Express accounts, and we're now locked out. We're just holding this on our take profit account now. So let's see what we can get out of this. We're at 106 right now. If we can get back above this zone here, it would be good. I'm getting out here. Close. All right. 1 to 7. Oh my goodness. Thank you. We got out at the perfect time. perfect time. And we caught a 1-7. So on my express accounts, we caught like a 1-3, a little bit more. We mostly got out for the most part, like right here somewhere. And then I closed my take profit trader at 1-7. So banger day, baby. Banger day. Definitely a great trading day. I am super happy with the outcome. And this is what I mean by you just gotta adapt, bro. Like you gotta pay attention to where the market is, how it's moving. Market moves off supply and demand. We had a demand here. Let me tighten it up a little bit. We had a demand here. Price came, bounced off of it once, shot us all the way up. We came back to retest this low down here. We did break this first low. I was expecting it to hold off of this one on this first move here, but ultimately we ended up breaking that low. But once I realized where we were in the market, still respecting this low over here, I decided to just take the trade and it paid, man, because we got in like right here on that break of the candle. It paid 1-7. Beautiful, beautiful trade. And it might go more, but I'm happy with a 1-7. We made our profits for the day. We took a small loss. If we didn't take a loss, I probably would hold this a lot longer. But we took a loss, so we had to make up some profit that we gave up. And it's cool though. It's real cool though, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, so I mean, it is what it is. I'm not gonna be upset about it whatsoever. Price is still running. Price is now at a 1-8 from where we got in, but we made money today. I'm happy with that. I'm super happy with that. We ended with 389 on three accounts and then 455 on my take profit account. So we 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 did what we were supposed to. We came out with a dub. So I'm happy with that. And we're gonna go ahead and get on with our day because my wife has a doctor's appointment at 10 o'clock and it is 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and remember, stay unplugged. Deuces.